Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pages in Canva. First, open Canva and decide if you want to start with a template or a blank design. Templates provide a quick start for various projects, from presentations to social media posts. If you prefer, select a blank canvas to build your design from scratch, giving you complete creative freedom over every element. Once you have your initial design, adding more pages is simple. Look for the Add Page button, usually found below your current page, to insert a new blank page. You can also duplicate an existing page to carry over its design elements, saving you time. To organize your project, simply drag and drop pages into your desired order. Now for the fun part, designing your pages. Canva provides a vast library of elements, including photos, graphics, shapes, and text boxes. Drag and drop these elements onto your page. You can easily customize their colors, fonts, and sizes to match your brand or aesthetic. Experiment with different combinations to create a visually appealing layout. After perfecting your pages, Canva automatically saves your work, so you never lose progress. When you're ready, download your design in formats like PDF, JPG, or PNG, depending on your needs. You can also share your project directly with others via a link or collaborate in real time. It's that easy to create and share professional-looking pages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.